Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So if you are doing crypto airdrops, you are looking for ways to make money online just with your smartphone, just with your phone and Telegram airdrops, then this video is for you because I bring you a new project called Time Farm. Now, Time Farm, I've been doing Time Farm since I think for over 3 months now, and I've been doing it very well, and it looks like a very good project. I joined when they were still around 5 million users on Telegram. Right now, they have over 15 million users on Telegram. So they have a big community, right? And when you mine their token, they you get seconds. The name of the token or the points you are getting is called seconds, right? So the more seconds you have, basically, the more rewards you get and the more money you make when they launch their project. Now, the team behind this time farm is a very solid team, right? They have built many previous successful projects, right? I'll show you some of the projects they have done during the tutorial because I'm going to show you the tutorial on how to get started farming this project. Is totally free. The link to the project to time farm will be in the description below. Just click the link and make sure you take this project seriously, right? Because it looks like you can make up to $200, even up to $500 if you do this project very well, right? And without any further ado, one more thing is that the project they are listing, I think they are listing in November, like that's next month. They'll be listing by next month. So you have over a month to farm this project if you have not started. And if you're farming time farm before but you were not serious with it, make sure you get back to it, go and take it seriously now. And let's get straight into the tutorial. Alright guys, so when you click on the link to time farm in my description to bring you to this page, now what we're going to do is to open app. Now when we open the app, to launch the app, and the first thing to do, the first thing we're going to see here is your daily claim. So basically, every day you log in, they are going to give you um some something to claim. Now sometimes if you open your app and it's doing like this, it's not loading, you can bring it down, cancel it, then click up here and click on open app here. You can do this for almost any project, not only time farm, but many of other Telegram projects. If they don't open once, then you can use that method and it can open. Right. So as I said, the first thing here is your daily reward. So I claim 50,000 seconds. And now I'm going to press on here claim. But immediately I press on claim, I will claim 864,000 seconds, and then I'll start mining again. So it usually mines for 8 hours. For 8 hours. Now, business time farm is a very simple project. I need you guys to take this seriously, and there are just very simple tasks to do. First thing to do, if you come to tax down here, you see that there are some tasks here. I've done some of the tasks. If I check my completed tasks, you see I've done a lot of completed tasks over here, right? So I'll come over here and do the active tasks. That's easy. Then next thing down here is friends. You can invite friends. When you invite friends, you get rewards from the friends I've invited. Like now, I can claim 5 million seconds from the friends I've invited, right? And after 2 days or in fact by tomorrow, it will come up again. So it's regular. Now the next one here is activity. This just shows the leaderboard activities. Now this third part is N. Now on this N section, there are three different sections. First one is staking. Now if you click on here, you can stake your seconds. Like this now, I staked my seconds for 3 days. You can see I can claim it now. So I click on claim, I'll claim 141 million seconds. So let's go back to my home. So I have, with what I had here before, this 150 million seconds, right? That's a lot, but still small. So if I stake it now, make sure you keep staking your seconds. So if I start staking for 3 days, then I continue. You can stay for 3 days, 15 days, 45 days. But the best one to do is to stake for 3 days because you get more rewards basically. So every three days you can stake. So I stake max everything, all 157 million. And if I continue, you see duration 3 days ends in October 20th.
then APY 3%. So I'm earning 4 million after 3 days just for by staking. So if your seconds is just there, you're not staking, make sure you are staking your seconds. And I've staked my seconds. So I'll come back 3 days to claim. Now, with that done, the next thing here is it's called Oracle of Time. It says answers question, guess date, and claim reward. Now, this Oracle of Time is like a daily combo. So the question here is when was the launch of Stellar's this network? So you can search for the answer, then you just put date. If it's October 17, 2024, you set it, then you check and you get 100,000 seconds, as you can see up here. So it's like a daily combo. And then this store itself, for those who want to farm maximum efficiency, you can buy stuff from here. This one is the bot. It will automatically claim for you. So instead of you coming every 88 hours to claim, the bot will claim it for you, I think. But I've not bought it. It's 1 ton. So it's not a financial advice. If you have the money, you can buy it. Me, I don't have the money yet. That's why I did not buy it. So what else? Finally, you come down here to the wallet, which is the last thing here. You connect your Ton wallet. So if my own lows now, you see I've collected my own. So if you haven't connected your wallet, make sure you connect your wallet. Just click on it. If you have your Ton keeper, click on it, connect your wallet. It will connect automatically and just do the stuff. So basically, that is for time farm. Finally, you look up here and click on upgrade. So let's click on upgrade. So there are multiple clocks. If you just start, you are not going to see this clock. Right? You are going to see this first one, this sand clock. So if you want to upgrade this, I can see it's free. You want to upgrade to the next one, you need 1 million tokens. So they are about I don't know. So basically I'm in the pump watch, which is the highest clock, right? The highest watch, which is 30 million seconds to upgrade. And the higher you go, you see that it gives you more tokens. This one says 30 times tokens every 8 hours. So make sure if you have the money, make sure you upgrade to the highest watch, this highest one, and then you check here on assistant. Like I said, that was the bot. You can buy the bot for 1 ton. Personal assistant who will automatically start farming and claim rewards. Then if you have the money, you can get that. Then finally, this boost also for ton gives you more boost 2 times rewards, all of that. I'm not doing any of that because I'm just doing the basic ones. So if you have not started time farm, you can start right now. It's not too late. It's very easy. Just log in maybe once in a day or twice in a day, claim your rewards and mine, right? And do the tax, and basically you're good to go.
Alright guys, that's it for this video guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, please remember to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos, more crypto airdrop tutorials like this. And I have a group on YouTube, a community. If you want to have more questions, you have questions you want to ask, or you want to learn more about crypto, join my WhatsApp group. It's free. So you can join the link will be in the description. Just join my group. You can chat up with me up there on WhatsApp too directly for more questions. And we have people that will answer the questions or get more crypto updates. And without any further ado, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.